and actions of these fire officers as they embark on their new roles and responsibilities. Father, as these officers take their oaths today, instill in them a deep sense of duty and a commitment to integrity. Help them to steadfastly reject any act or form of corruption. May they uphold the highest ethical standards, acting with honesty and transparency in all their endeavors. Strengthen the resolve to serve with honor and to always choose the path of righteousness. We offer these prayers in your holy name, trusting your grace and mercy. May your blessings be upon these fire officers now and always, guiding them to serve with dedication, integrity, unwavering commitment to justice. After all, at the end of the day, it is not between you, between them and others, but it is between them and God, now and forever. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
You may now be seated. Today is an important event that we welcome with great pleasure and pride our newly promoted Fire Senior Inspector and newly appointed Fire Officer 1. And to continue with our program, we request our Deputy Chief for Administration, Fire Chief Superintendent Jesus P. Fernandez for the welcome remarks.
To our Chief Bureau of Fire Protection, Director Luis Professor, the Deputy Chief for Operation, Fire Chief Superintendent Riconel Guanchu, Director of Directorates, Regional Directors present, officers and men of the Bureau of Fire Protection, personnel who are going to have their from lateral entry, and the newly absorbed Fire Officer 1, friends, relatives of the newly absorbed Fire Officer 1, and those who are taking the lateral entry. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is an honor to welcome you to this special occasion, the outtaking ceremony of the newly promoted Senior Inspectors via lateral entry and the newly absorbed Fire Officer 1. Today is a celebration of your hard work for making it through the rigorous hiring and selection process and reaching this milestone. Consider this moment a new beginning and a new timeline for further pursue your dream and become the best version of yourself in serving the public. Let your struggles guide you as you open the way for more fulfilling experiences. As the new servant heroes of our country, you are expected to embody the public service values that will serve as your guiding principles in performing your duties. There will always be challenges in your path, but I hope that you find those as opportunities to grow and become better. Look forward to the wisdom that you will gain along your journey. Value what you have right now and be grateful for this blessing. Love your work. As Stephen Hawking once said, and I quote, "Work gives you meaning and purpose, and life is empty without it." With your new role in the Bureau of Fire Protection, you certainly know that you finally found your purpose. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you, sir. And now, for the reading of the Bureau Order. May we request Fire Chief Superintendent Renato B. Capos, Director for Personnel and Records Management.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, National Headquarters, Senator Miriam Defensor, Santiago Avenue, Barangay Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City. Bureau Order Number PRM-2024-009, dated 01 July 2024. Pursuant to the BFP NHQ Human Resource Merit Promotion and Selection Board Resolution Number LE-Senior Inspector-2024-01, dated 28 June 2024, the following personnel are hereby appointed as Fire Senior Inspector with status of appointment and salary rate indicated opposite their names, effective this date, or upon actual assumption of duty. To wit, SFO1 Aisa Crisel N. Abasolo and SFO1 Vianney Joy D. Tiwaken. By the command of the Chief PFP, signed, Manuel M. Manuel, Fire Chief Superintendent, DSC PFP, Acting Chief Directorial Staff. Official, signed, Renato B. Capos, Fire Chief Superintendent, DSC PFP, Director for Personnel and Records Management. Republic of the Philippines, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, National Headquarters, Senator Miriam Defensor, Santiago Avenue, Barangay Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City. Bureau Order Number ABS-2024-006, dated 01 July 2024. Pursuant to the BFP NHQ Human Resource Merit Promotion and Selection Board Resolution Number FO1-2024-02, dated 24 June 2024, and Memorandum dated 25 June 2024, selected applicants to be appointed as Fire Officer 1 in the BFP NHQ. The following applicants are hereby appointed as Fire Officer 1 in the Bureau of Fire Protection, National Headquarters, with a status of appointment and salary rate indicated opposite their names, effective this date. To wit, Fiat S. Abdul Wahid and 199 others. By the command of the Chief BFP, signed, Manuel M. Manuel, Fire Chief Superintendent, DSC BFP, Acting Chief Directorial Staff. Official, signed, Renato B. Capos, Fire Chief Superintendent, DSC BFP, Director for Personnel and Records Management. Republic of the Philippines, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, National Headquarters, Senator Miriam Defensor, Santiago Avenue, Barangay Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City. Bureau Order Number ABS-2024-005, dated 01 July 2024. Pursuant to the BFP CAR Regional Human Resource Merit Promotion and Selection Board Resolution Number 2024-03, dated 25 June 2024, and Memorandum dated 26 June 2024, selected Fire Officers 1, BFP CAR. The following applicants are hereby appointed as Fire Officer 1 in the Bureau of Fire Protection, Cordillera Administrative Region, with status of appointment and salary rate indicated opposite their names, effective this date to wit. Rodney J. L. Aguan and 85 others. By the command of the Chief BFP, signed, Manuel M. Manuel, Fire Chief Superintendent, JC BFP, Acting Chief Director Staff. Official, signed, Renato B. Campos, Fire Chief Superintendent, ASABFP, Director for Personnel and Records Management.
Thank you, sir. At this juncture, for the presentation of the newly promoted Fire Senior Inspector and newly appointed Fire Officer 1, may I request Fire Chief Superintendent Renato Badong Marcial, Director for Human Resource and Development.
To the Chief, Bureau of Fire Protection, Fire Director Luis Uranta Poracan, CO6, sir. It is my pride, honor, and privilege to present to you the 1,994 individuals, after having gone through the rigorous recruitment process, are now ready for appointment. 2 as Fire Senior Inspector through lateral entry, and 1,992 Fire Officer 1 in the BFP National Headquarters and other BFP regional offices, effective this day. Senior Inspector or Legal Officer 2, Region 1, 105, Region 2, 96, Region 3, 134, Region 4A, 155, Region 4B, 92, Region 5, 101, Region 6, 113, Region 7, 115, Region 8, 99, Region 9, 80, Region 10, 99, Region 11, 100, Region 12, 96, BARM, 90, CAR, 86, Caraga, 91, NCR, 140, and National Headquarters, 200, with a total of 1,994.
Thank you, sir. Fire Director Luis Uranta Poracan, Chief, Bureau of Fire Protection, will now administer the oath of office of our newly promoted Fire Senior Inspector and newly appointed Fire Officer 1.
Kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me. Out of office, I state your name. For the Bureau of Fire Protection. Having been appointed to the position of. Do hereby solemnly swear. That I will faithfully discharge. To the best of my ability. The duties of my present position. And of all others. That I may hereafter. Hold under the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance. To the same. That I will obey the laws. Legal orders. And decrees. Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities. Of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation. Upon myself voluntarily. Without mental reservation. Or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations. For the paying of ranks of the newly promoted Fire Senior Inspector, may I request our Chief, Fire Director Luis Uranta Poracan, to pay the rank of our newly promoted Fire Senior Inspector.
maaari sana talaga sa okay, yan. Hanggat maaari talaga yung design sa background.
Thank you and once again, congratulations. And now for this message, we once again request our Chief, Bureau of Fire Protection, Fire Director Luis Pulacan.
To our DCA, Chief Superintendent Fernandez, our DCO, Chief Superintendent Ranju, to our HR, Chief Superintendent Marshall, to our VP, Chief Superintendent, palagi naman ating kasama si Nats. Actually, Nats and Ato, thank you so much for participating
Pinaririnig sa likod.
recruitment plan
Mike ni Sir.
the promotion, the DCA for making this successful. To other senior officers, the RDs,
Wala kami.
directors of different directorates, other officers. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
First thing first, congratulations to the two lateral entrants. May kasabihan talaga na kahit nahuli ka, nakakahapon ka pa rin. There were two left behind from the previous lateral entry that we had for lawyers. And sabi nga naman ito, makintay ka lamang. Matinga. So, wait and everything happened. Everything will happen.
Hindi naririnig sa likod.
So, I will make this one short because we have activity to be done this morning. I just two things for our new recruits. First is, be sure to catch up. Be sure to catch up. When I say catch up, the mandates of the Bureau of Protection has been laid out to you. And in the coming weeks, you will be undergoing your orientation program. And the orientation program will match your skills right now with the demands of the job. So it's very important that you catch up. When I say catch up, there should be equalization of your skills with the demand of the example. You came from various educational background, different cultures, different orientations, and you know my first observation, poor writing skills. Poor writing skills yung mga graduates natin ngayon. Be sure to catch up. Be sure to catch up. Unang-una, most of you will be assigned clerical functions. Clerical functions. In the world of writings, the first order of the day is verb agreement. Verb agreement. Ito yung tinuturo sa atin sa Grammar Comprehension 101. How do we match subject and predicate, verb agreement? Ito yung weakest point sa mga bagong graduates, and you should catch up. When I say catch up, you set somebody up there. May model kayo. When you go to the station kasi, may model talaga kayo titingnan eh. And you catch up with him. Me, myself, I had also senior officers that I tried to catch up during my time when I was a junior officer. My first boss that I tried to catch up, was the former director, Sir Asignado, and he's really good in writing. And so do I. I try to catch up. Every time I write a speech, a memo for him, I always find the green writings of his ballpen. Talagang kinocross out. He's really good. The second was General Perez, who also become IC. Napakagaling nila sa communication skills. Siguro part siguro ng development ko is because of them. I try to catch up with them. That's only one part of your duty when you go to the station. The second is the work ethics. You catch up. I want you to start sinking in your mind that you now belong to the service. And in the service, we follow a hierarchy. We follow a hierarchy. Kahit ako, may boss pa ako, yung sa LG. Sa LG natin, may boss pa yung presidente. Yung presidente, may boss pa rin. Tayo mga tao. Tayo ang boss ng presidente natin. And so, goes along the line. You as the newest member of the organization have so many boss. And your wisdom will come in when you prioritize order. Okay? Wisdom comes in when you prioritize order. Marami nagsasabi, how do we kick in wisdom? Wisdom. Wisdom is, just to illustrate, we know that tomato is a fruit. Tomato is a fruit. But wisdom will tell you that you cannot mix tomato in a fruit salad. Tama? Tomato is a fruit, but wisdom will tell you not to mix tomato in a fruit salad. So, knowledge doesn't mean that wisdom you will apply it anytime. Now, pagdating nyo sa station, there are two things also that you have to observe. First, the good and the bad. It's always yin and the yang, the black and the white. So you choose your career path. On where direction are you going? I tell you, this year is very discouraging, very sad. Napakarami na na-dismiss sa service starting January. And last week, we were in the news, Philippine Star, may nahuling nag-entrap, things like that. And it's very discouraging for the service. Because one apple in a big basket is bad. We do random sampling. Everything kasi statistics we do random sampling. Pag nakita tayo mali, yung lahat kahit hindi mali, masasama na siya sa sampling natin. Kaya be sure na when you go out to the station, be nakatalist ba na just do good going up. Just do good going up. After all, it's biblical. At the end of the day, the chaff will be separated from the grains. Iiwala yung damo mula sa trigo on harvest time. Second, when you catch up, you cannot catch up unless you upskill. Ito yung dalawang words na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Catch up and upskill. When I say upskill, sample ha, most of you, karamihan sa atin dito marunong na mag-computer. Pero hanggang encoding lang. You try to upskill na kahit marunong na lang kayo mag-coding, kahit marunong na lang kayo magbasa ng source code. Upskill. Second, it's a requirement of the job na kailangan talaga tayo lahat marunong magmaneho. Kasi emergency cases, paano nilang pag may na-disgrasya? Wala marunong magmaneho. Kunti lang marunong magmaneho. So you try to upskill na kayo lahat. get a license, learn yourself to drive, things like that. That's upscaling. Second on upscaling. Pag nag-upskill kayo, set that line. Example, never do things outside your sphere. Never do things outside your sphere. Kasi wala ka dun eh. Again, example. There are may dalawang hemisphere kasi ang brain eh. The other is logic. The others is emotions. Dalawang side ng brain natin. Meaning, nobody can be perfect. Nobody can be perfect. It's either you're good in communication skills or you're good in mathematics. So, when you upskill, make it align. Make it align with your base, with your background. Sayang kasi, halimbawa, pag nurse ka, nandito ka sa bureau, ang upskilling mo is going towards the direction na mag-advance ka na on medical-related nursing things like that. Doon ka na pumila. Huwag ka nang pumila dito sa kabila. Kasi masasayang yung skill mo eh. Wala kang background. Ngayon, pag marami sa atin dito, engineers, huwag ka nang pumila doon na pumila ka pa doon sa EMS. Kasi wala ka na sa sphere mo. Wala ka na sa sphere mo. Meaning, kung ano yung theory base mo, doon ka na. Doon ka na. Why I am telling these things? Why I am telling these things? The three levels kasi of doing things. First, skill, train, and expert. Let me add 3 minutes more. When you have the theory base and you're going upward, first is you can be trained. Mahirap mag-train sa EMS pag nung college ka wala kang anatomy in college. Do you follow me? Mahirap ka mag-EMS, ma-assign sa EMS, ambulance service kung nung college wala kang anatomy subjects. Ano bang course na may anatomy? Of course, medical-related courses, may anatomy sila. So dito ka na, mas madali na i-explain sa'yo yung mga bagay na yun. So from there, you can be trained. When you are classified as trained, you have 3,000 hours of doing it. Naturuan ka, then you do every day. Masasabi mo, train ako dyan. Kasi may 3,000 hours ka. The next phase is the skill. After you've been trained, magiging skilled level ka. That's 5,000 hours. You can only claim that you are a skilled person if you have 5,000 hours of doing those things. 5,000 hours. Now, the last phase is expert. Maraming nag-claim ng expert. How can you claim you're an expert? My God, it's 15,000 hours. 15,000 hours an expert. If you will try to compute 8 hours a day, 15,000 hours over 8 hours, magkano, ilan pa? Use your calculator, how many years you will get that? 365 days a year. Times 8,000 plus 8 hours.
1,800, sir.
2,800 days.
1,875 days, sir.
Days?
Yes, sir.
That's 1,000.
5 years. 5 years.
Roughly 3 years? Roughly 3 years? Roughly 3 years? 5 years? Roughly 5 years of doing things, you have it. Okay naman. Kumain ba yan? Naku po. Hindi, nakatulog lang yan. Nakatulog lang yan. Excited siya. Kailangan, tabi lang.
Ano po yan ng expert?
Natulog lang. Kailangan may expert ka, 5,000 yun, 5,000. Okay, I'll continue. Guys, it's 5 years of doing things 8 hours a day. May base ka, may training ka, you've been upskilled. So, there you are. Go out, catch up, upskill, then you will be useful to organization. The end view of this is becoming useful to the organization. Dapat magagamit kayo ng organization. The organization will be moving up. We are now on the 2nd year of the modernization program. Next year will be the 3rd, and we leap to the 2nd phase of the modernization program. Papunta na tayo sa second phase. So, good luck. Good luck to everyone. And with the lateral entrance that we have this morning, good luck to the family of the newly minted Officers 1. So, good luck, and please be grateful that you are here. Please be grateful. Good morning and have a nice day, everyone.
Thank you, sir, for your very inspiring message.
And now let us all stand to sing with pride and honor the PFP hymn, to be followed by the Bagong Pilipinas hymn.
team that welcomes new sparks and help each flame grow brighter. Together, we light the way for a safer tomorrow. Once again, welcome to our new members and congratulations to our new promotees. Here's to a future filled with shared accomplishments, growth, and a steadfast commitment to serving and protecting our community.
And that concludes the simultaneous oath-taking ceremony of the newly promoted Fire Senior Inspector and newly appointed Fire Officer 1 of the Bureau of Fire Protection. Once again, good morning, and may God bless us all.